Hey everyone! Lost your App Store on iPhone? Don't worry, here's how to get it back. Let's get started. First, swipe down on your home screen and use the search bar and type App Store. If it appears, you can drag it back to your home screen. And if it doesn't show up, it might be restricted. You can go to the settings and select screen time and click content and privacy restrictions and click iTunes and App Store purchases. And now tap the installing apps and make sure that it's set to allow, and this will make your app store reappear. If it's still missing, check your app library by swiping all the way to the right and you can find and reopen it from there. And that's it. Your app store should now be back on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.